I will show you how to record audio from computer with Audacity. First, open your Audacity application. Click Audio Setup. Go to Audio Settings. The default is usually MME. You change to Windows Wasapi and select the playback device speakers that you use, so also on the recording device. After that, OK, you can test if the sound from the computer can enter the record application. And here it enter. Congratulations, you have successfully.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.